someone with all your
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel if you are new. Today's video is going to be my first ever Roblox video, and it's going to be a Roblox house tour where I give you guys a tour of my new Roblox roleplay house. Before we actually start this video, can we just take the moment to just acknowledge that it's been so long since you've heard my voice. Like, if you're an up-to-date subscriber, you know it's been like about a month and a half since you've heard my voice, but not to worry, since I'm going to be doing a lot more Roblox challenges which will be needing voiceovers, you'll be hearing my voice a lot more. But yeah, let's actually get on with the video now. So here is my fence. It's painted white and gray. So is the rest of my house. And some parts of my house are a little darker gray, but yeah, and then this is my mailbox. And then we have my fence gate, which is a bit of a darker gray. So here it is. And then we have my other fence gate, which is just white, which leads to my driveway, which leads to my garage over there. Actually, let's just go in through here. So to the right, you could see a swing, and the reason why I put this swing here is because I just felt like this area of my house needed a little bit more to it. So I was like, why not just add a swing? So here's the swing. It's just here for a random purpose, and you could just have fun on here. And then we also have a sand castle, even though there's no sand, and you could kick it, which is fun. Moving on to my garden, and here's my little mini garden. I don't really garden like that, but I just felt like my house needed a garden. So there were flowers, but I didn't water my plants, so it just disappeared. I guess it died. I just have green plants over here. And now for my garage. And my garage is filled with one car and one bike. Even though I might get another car, because for my roleplay family we need way more seats, so we'll need another car. And there's this door that leads to my house, but we're not going to go in through that door. We're going to go in through the front door. Before we go in, you see this pool, and it literally has no use. It's just there. But yeah, here's the front door. So we're gonna open it in 3, 2, 1. So when we walk in, we see my kitchen, and we see these 4 stools, which I am going to change because I need one of them to be a high chair. Then you see this salad on the table. Then we have random things over here like spices, ketchup, cups. Then we have a sink where you can wash your hands. We have stove and cabinets, knives and spatulas, spoons, coffee machines, blenders, microwaves, toaster. We have a fridge, basically all of my appliances right there. Then moving on to my living room. It looks kind of small, but I like it just the way it is because I don't want a huge living room. I just want a really nice, cozy living room. So here's my coffee table. We have my chairs, my TV stand. We have a beautiful picture of a black woman right there. We have my TV remote. And then my TV, best quality TV on Bloxburg right now. Then we have my phone where I can invite people, order food, throw a party. Here is my little dining area where you could just eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner as a family right here. And then moving on to the first ever room, which is Nora's room. I think this room is like the cutest thing ever. I just love how it came together. This is the changing table right here. The pictures look so nice, and then we have the dresser, we have a towel, and some books to read. And we have her little fluff unicorn right there, and her cat is in her crib. And then I just love the decor. I just love the way this room came out. It's just beautiful. Moving on to the study room, and it's a really small room, just a really nice cozy room to just study, do homework, and just chillax. So here we have a light switch, turn on and off the light. We also have another light over there, but it doesn't really make much of a difference in the room. I mean, I guess you could kind of see it, like the light. Then we have the picture, my chair, my table, my computer. And we have some books on the side. And a little area to just sit down, maybe read a book. You could just sit down on the beanbag and just read your book very peacefully in the room. Then we have this really cozy pink rug where you could sit on and just look at the sky, look at the view.
I like the view.
But yeah, this is the study room. Then we have this door you saw before that leads to my garage. Moving on to the backyard, and I love this place so much. It looks so nice, especially at night. It looks so cute at night. But yeah, if you follow this path, it leads you to the pool, and it also leads you to the place where you could just tan and sit down and just chillax here. It's a pretty big pool if you ask me. And then we have these lights on top of the pool. They look so cute, especially at night. So cute. Then we have the little campfire place where you could just roast marshmallows and just be really cozy after swimming. Then we have this little picnic table. Like if you want to eat something, you could just eat here. And then we have this little kitchen area for cooking. Forgot that I didn't actually go in the pool to show you guys the pool, but here's the pool. It's really deep. Sometimes I wonder why I made it so deep. I'm like, why did you make it so deep? But it has a lot of pool floaties, and they're like pool balls, beach balls, I guess, I don't know. And yeah, it's really deep for some reason. Moving on upstairs. Here is a regular old bathroom anyone can use. It has a sink, a mirror, toilet, trash, shower. Just a regular bathroom anyone in this house could use. Then we have my room. It has like a pink theme to it. And we have two mirrors. We have a light switch, a dirty laundry basket, a Black Lives Matter poster. We have my makeup, my hair dryer, another mirror, my stool. Right here. Then you can see the view of the pool right there. Looks really nice from here. Then we have a plant. A lot of pictures, way too many pictures. I feel like I should like make it like 3 pictures because it's too many pictures, but whatever. And then we have my bed and then my alarm right next to it. Next is the twins room, and they have 2 beds, 2 of everything really. They have a dresser right here, and it just has regular stuff like a comb, a brush, perfume, and then a dirty laundry basket, some pictures here. They have a really big bathroom for absolutely no reason. I feel like I should add more stuff, and I will probably eventually, but you could also see the view of the backyard. But yeah, it's a really big bathroom for no reason. And then we have a balcony right here, which I don't think it's the safest for kids because they could fall off. So is that like a safety hazard? I don't know, but they could just look at the sky. Here is my laundry room, and it has a laundry washer and dryer. It has a cabinet, some towels, a sink, an iron, and brooms. And it's just a place where you could just do your laundry. It's a really nice small area to just clean everything. Then we have this area with the beautiful picture of a black queen. Period, was very much needed. And then we have a balcony, another balcony over here. And this is just a place where you could just sit down, think about life, have like deep thoughts. Moving on upstairs, I'm just realizing how long this tour is. It's so long. And then we can see the pool from here too. And then we have my hallway, and this leads to my bougie bathroom. I tried to make this bathroom as bougie as possible because I didn't really know what to do with this space. I was like, why not add a tub, make it like bougie, I guess. Next is the gym. No pain, no gain. You could lift weights here, which we don't really do. When was the last time I went into this room actually? But yeah, you could lift weights, go on the treadmill, and then do the punching bag. There's also a balcony here too, which I'm just now realizing that you could see from far away. I think you could see the bathroom. Like if you're in the bathroom, they could see you from far. It needs curtains, but whatever, we'll add that later. So yeah, here's my gym. And now we go to Cameron's room. So here's the room. It has a yellow theme to it. 3 pictures on the wall. It's just really bright and I like it. I try to make it as teenage-like as possible. But here it is. It has like makeup, hairbrush. Yeah, this is the room. And here we have the final room, Alex's room. And this is a really simple blue themed room. I didn't really know what to add for the like pictures. I was like, let me just add a Roblox and Fortnite picture. Like I didn't really know what to add for boys room decor, but here it is. It's really simple. It has a bed, an alarm, 2 mirrors, comb, brush, hair dryer. You could also see the pool from here. Yeah, this is just a really simple blue room. But guys, before we end the video, I have one last final thing to show you, and it's a secret room. Not really that secret because a lot of people know about the room and people find out that it's there. But yeah, there's a room underneath the stairs. Some of you might have seen it, I don't know. But the reason why I made this secret room is because of this power switch. It turns off all power, and it's really helpful when you pay bills and like you're trying to turn on every light in the house. But yeah, I had to hide it, so I had to make a secret room. So I was like, why not just add trophies to it and just make it top secret, and if people find out, then oh well. But anyways guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more, and stay tuned for more Roblox videos coming soon, like role plays coming soon, and I'll see you guys next week Wednesday. Bye.
Missing someone.